Now, we'll discuss the classification ng pumps na meron tayo. So, initially, we have yung centrifugal pump. So, as I mentioned earlier, yung klase kanina, that is yung dinidiscuss ko kanina, that is a type of centrifugal pump. Now, centrifugal pump is a machine which pumping action is accomplished by imparting kinetic energy to the fluid by high-speed revolving impeller. So, vanes subsequently converting this kinetic energy into pressure energy either by passing through volute casing. So, this will be being discussed. Then we have your rotary. Now we have another is the rotary pump. So this is a positive displacement pump consisting of fixed casing containing gears, pumps, screws, vanes, plungers, or similar elements activated by means of rotation. Now this is an example ng mga ng rotary pumps. Okay, so we have your gear pump. Okay, so this one kung makikita mo, it is a 2-gear na umiikot. So one is driven and one is the follower. So kung umiikot ito, then ito sasama din. Then we have the pressure build up dito. Okay. Then also this one. Okay, so and also this one. So mostly yung gear pump are used in a high viscous fluid. So when we say high viscous fluid, that is malapot siya. So hindi siya natin pwedeng gamitan ng centrifugal pump. So mostly ang mangyayari, ma-worn out yung hindi ma-worn out ang blade, but mag-overheat pala yung motor. So sobrang bigat ng viscous niya. Kasi yung rotation ng centrifugal pump is a high RPM compared to rotary pump. So mostly ito mga hydraulic operated katulad ng mga backhoes, dump trucks. So they use rotary pump to propel or to provide pressure displacement, also the displacement of hydraulic fluid doon sa mga pipings ng mga hydraulics ng backhoe, dump trucks. So ito ang responsible, yung tinatawag na gear pump. Okay? So we have also yung tinatawag na plunger type. So ito yun. Okay? So by means of this is spring loaded that displaces by moving up and down. That's why it build up pressure din doon sa system. So build up pressure, then discharge ito high to the discharge rate. Okay. Now, reciprocating pump is a positive displacement unit wherein the pumping action is accomplished by a forward and a backward movement of piston or a plunger inside a cylinder usually provided with valves. So, ganito yung itsura ng mga reciprocating pump. So, you will notice we have parang katulad din ng compressor, no? But this time is the fluid that we're using is liquid. Okay, so we have piston. So sometimes this is type of yung ginagamit is diaphragm type. Okay, so yung mga nakikita nyo sa labas, which is yung pressure washer, no? Yeah, katulad nito, we have yung pressure washer. So yung inside nito, there is a plunger. So kaya they are called piston type. So it is a type of reciprocating pump. Okay, but ang nagpapaandar pa rin sa kanya is by means of rotation ng electric motor. Okay, so it is type of reciprocating pump. So one of the worldwide known na ginagamit industry in minings, that yung previously I was working,
We're in Venlo.
tinatawag na. So yun yung na tawag dito, that is yung positive reciprocating pump o positive of by means of plunger moving. Yung tinatawag nito yung brand that is yung Geho pump. So yan siya. So usually yan, ganun siya kalaki. So that is used to pump mostly yun sa my previous project, yung project na I was employed. It is used to pump slurry. Okay, so when we say to pump slurry, that is a mixture of yung tubig at saka yung putik, so mud. So yan, that is one step of testing nung designing nung reciprocating pump. So mapapansin nyo, you will notice here the movement, no? Okay, so the movement up in rotation. Okay, so ng flow ng ano. Then this is for the testing of the fluid that is being used in calibrating the design ng pump. Okay, so that is in designing the other parts. So you will see here, so ganyan siya kalaki yung diaphragm type na brand, that is Geho pumps. So you will notice, so ang laki ng unit niya, and that is mostly application is for mining industries, processing industries within ano yan, minerals, tawag doon, minerals na meron tayo. So mostly what we have dito, meron dito sa Palawan, meron yan, which is usually used in the they use in the Coral Bay Nickel Corporation. So they try and use it to inject the slurry, no, yung putik o mixture of water and soil, to inject into a high pressure vessel. So okay, so ito yan. So we have here yung kita niya. So we have the operation ng ano yan, so ng positive displacement or reciprocating pump. So you have here electric motor. So this is a corresponding RPM. Then we have yung reduction gear. So usually kasi ang RPM niya is napakababa. So ang kagandahan lang din kasi ng mga positive displacement or piston reciprocating type of pump or diaphragm pump, it has a high pressure discharge. But yung type of flow niya is parang pulsating. So when we say pulsating, parang kasi because of the yung fluctuation ng pump ng operation, so pulsating motion siya. So yan, so you have your reciprocating so mostly long distance pipe, tailing pipes. So yan mostly industrial application ng reciprocating pumps. So ganyan, at ganyan din siya kalaki. Okay. So yung ito, mga auxiliary pumps na yan. So for monitoring yan. So you have your header. Okay. So this is a type of a centrifugal pump, that is a slurry pump. Okay. So again, manufacturer is the Geho. Okay. So usually makikita niyo yung mga parts dyan. Okay. So most the application is also in mining industry pa rin yung operations niyan. So yun, we have a shrouded type ng impeller. Then we have the corresponding merong, okay, so yan yung mga parts niya. Then we have here the lubricated part dito. Okay. During the suction stage, so yung mapansin nyo, so usually it will rotate, no? Yan, yung impeller niyan, it will rotate, then it will be pushing the fluid at this side. Okay. So that is how this pump works. Centrifugal pump, paano ma-function. And this one is not already part of that, but this is a tinatawag natin na centrifugal compressor. Okay, so by means of ginagamit naman dito is by means of a series of turbine blades. So this is the casted one. So yung kanina molde pa lang yun, then this is being casted. So okay, so the adjustment during the fabrication. Okay. So we have here yung impeller or yung turbine blade that is used in the and centrifugal compressors. So this one compresses yung hangin. So for the other applications. Okay. So this is by means of your QA QC for monitoring nung accuracy ng design and fabrication. So you have your machining and also this one installation. Okay, so mapapansin is shrouded type din siya ng time of turbine blades. Okay. Then so we have here your shafting and we have yung turbine blade, no? Okay. So yan na. So you have this one, then the series of installations of blades dito. Okay. So mapapansin nyo mayroong mga dowel yan to hold intact place ng turbine blades. Okay. So one is rotating motion, the other turbine blade is just for the fix. So by means of nakikita nyo there are different types of blades, so it has a different type of staging. Okay. So ganun siya pa I think it compresses a high stage or high pressure type of centrifugal pump, centrifugal compressors. Okay, so ito yung casing niya, so which is naka-in-house yung compressor. Okay. So by measuring the accuracy, so that is an installation.